Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to limit the number of responses or limit responses till a particular date or time. Further, just first see the basic way. The first basic way available to stop collecting responses is this: switch off this accepting responses switch, so that it will stop accepting responses. If you wanna restart the collecting responses, just switch it again so that responses will be active. So let's see how to limit responses till a particular date or particular time, or restrict to the particular number of responses now by using the plugins available in Google Workspace. Further, just click on these options and go to add-ons. It will redirect us to Google Marketplace. There are a lot of plugins were available. You can choose anything from this. The most suitable one, easy one, is Form Scheduler. You can just click on this and install this. Continue. You can just choose the account to it's got installed. Just close. Add-on was got added here. Just click on that and choose Form Scheduler and click on this configure schedules. Here you can schedule to a maximum number of responses or to the specific date and time, or you can accept only particular calendar events by creating an events to this form. So let's explore the first option now. Stop at maximum. Stop accepting after a total of 3. Let's make it 2. Notify me when form is closed, and let the custom message be: this form is no longer accept responses. Is the by default message will show when people are trying to submit response after limit was reached. You can change this if you want. Let's change this. Sorry, we are not collecting responses anymore. Save this. Yeah, it was got saved. In the previous tutorial, when we are seeing the preview, we had submitted one response, so we are now having a chance for one more response only, whereas we limited to 2 responses. So let's check that once. Yeah, it was showing an option submit another response. Just click on this. Yeah, it was showing sorry, we are not collecting any responses anymore. So as we restricted for 2 responses, for the third response it was showing we are not collecting any responses. So this resume collecting responses, it was option showing to me as I was logged in both the areas here. So it was showing option to me, but whereas to the other users this option will not be shown. Just it will show this message of sorry, we are not collecting responses. Just close this, and you can switch it again and you can start collecting responses again. So let's start this again. It will be starting collecting responses. So now again you need to change these settings. Just let's try this option of stop at specific date and time. You can choose date. Today is 17th. You can choose any date. Let's set 18, 12. You can set 12. That's it. It will stop automatically at time of 12 tomorrow. That's it. You can check this box to notify you when it was stop collected. You can save this. That's it. It was got saved. And if we try to submit now, it will collect as the time was there. So that's how to make use of this specific date or time. And you have seen how to make use with a specific number of responses. So thus you can make use of different add-ons, not only this. Here a lot of add-ons were available. You can just install this and try with your form. You can explore easily all this. No need to try all this in the tutorial. So you can link this form to the calendar. This was the plugin to use that, and to add QR scanners, codes in forms. This plugin you can use. Thus you can make use of all the different plugins available in this marketplace. So that's easy too. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.